Hey guys, many of you know that my new line Ciao Bella came out this month, so I thought I would show you some amazing quilts that are in Ciao Bella that I think you'll really like. So we're gonna start with, and by the way you guys, these all have patterns attached to them. They're not mine, so the links are going to be in the description here on YouTube or if you're on my blog. This one is done by Belnap. She usually does it with a much bigger white area, but we did this a little bit smaller for the purposes of showing the fabric. Oh my gosh, let's see if I can fit it in here. Can I? Okay, I scooted all the way back and hopefully you can see it. Might be a little bit hard with the big piano in the way. I didn't know it was gonna be so big. Okay, isn't that beautiful, you guys? Done in Ciao Bella. This is her Alma quilt. And I'm gonna give you the link to it. Her name is Belnap, the Smitten Chicken on Instagram. And I think she has a blog as well. And she has tons and tons and tons of beautiful patterns. Can you guys see that? I'm like standing on tiptoe. Isn't that beautiful? And I love the way the colors work together on Ciao Bella. You can see that we matched up the navy, the light pink, the yellow, and the blue to make this work. Isn't that beautiful? A big shout out, Kenzy Hogan, which I'm gonna show you one of her quilts here in a second, did this beautiful border, if you wanna see that, of little tiny hearts on the binding. How cute is that, right? It just adds that little extra special touch. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. All the machine quilting was done by Kenzy, and she is so phenomenal, so good. All right, you guys ready to move on? Okay, so Chantelle Bailey did the pattern for this quilt. We're gonna give you the link to it in the description or if you're on the blog. I love this. It's so simple but beautiful. I'm scooting back so you can see the whole thing. She has this pattern available too as well. Isn't that so pretty? Look how pretty it is up close. So I love like all the pinks in one, but then the mix in the scrappiness of the other. It kind of gives your eye a place to rest. This is also great if you want a fussy cut. Ciao Bella's main print, which you can see here with the blue, the navy, and the light blue, because then you get these interesting little pockets of the flowers and the bouquet on Ciao Bella. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Machine quilted once again by Kenzy Hogan. And I'm gonna give you links to all of these women's sites. They're amazing. Okay, this, like you guys, this is crazy and awesome. So Erin, I'm probably gonna mess up her last name. Erin Zinobile. I believe her company is called Star Garden. You guys are gonna love this. Erin has been working on creating applique that you can cut out on your Silhouette or your Cricut machine. You guys know I love this since I'm a silhouette designer. I love the idea of being able to cut out things on your machine to create phenomenal quilts. And this really showcases this. She has an amazing pattern for this available to you, okay? And you're gonna wanna go check it out because it's all cut for the pieces here of these butterflies, and you can cut them out on your machine, or she has also directions for hand cutting it if you would like to hand cut it. So I'm gonna scoot myself back, hopefully in a way where you're gonna be able to see. I'm just gonna move this bench all the way in the hopes of being able to hold it all out. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? I love this quilt. I am not an applique girl. This makes me want to be an applique girl because all of the patterns are so beautiful, and you can see how pretty it is in Ciao Bella. I really did work on this particular fabric line to make sure there was enough blenders that were interesting. They're definitely blenders, but they're a little bit crazy and have a lot more texture. Like you can see the marbling here and the blue butterfly. And it just makes me so happy. Isn't that so beautiful, you guys? Just gonna hold up the middle a little bit here and the bottom so you guys can see it. I love this quilt. So incredibly fun. I also like, I'm just gonna show you guys, these big like half squares in the corner because it's really great for a bigger main print. So if you want to showcase a print, you've got something in the corners, or you could even do your big borders with them, but then the rest of it, you're really showcasing your applique. So beautiful, right? Link for this in the description. You're gonna wanna go check out. She has great descriptions for how she does this. This is also machine quilted by Kenzy. All right, last but not least today, hopefully I'll have more to show you guys soon, but you guys, so this is Kenzy's quilt, and oh my gosh, you are going to love this. She has a pattern for this, so if you want to do a quilt like this, this is our non-white quilt, but look at it with the navy. How beautiful is that? Isn't that so fun? So beautiful. I'm just gonna try and hold it up so you can see it. It's a little, this whole holding the quilt thing is always awkward because it's so big. But isn't that so beautiful, you guys? I love this quilt. The thing you aren't seeing, and I'm gonna flip it around so you can see, because she machine quilted it, and she's phenomenal. I'm gonna pull this up close so you guys can see. Can you guys see its little buildings? Little, almost European buildings, back and top. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, the back fabric is Wiltshire Daisy, which is quite old at this point, because we didn't have the full line yet, but isn't that incredible? The machine quilting on this is so cool. She's done it in navy, so it's all navy throughout. Let's just see if you guys can, if I can bring it up close for you guys to look at how she's done that. Isn't that incredible? Oh, so beautiful. I love it so much. I love the way this quilt turned out. It's just stunning. And she has the pattern and instructions for you as well. So go check out these patterns. I think you guys will love them. So incredibly beautiful. If you have not purchased Ciao Bella yet, it is available at your local quilt shop. Call and find out if you can find it there. You can also find it online, and I hope you get your hands on it, like a fat quarter pack or a few yards of it. There's some really great pieces, I guess if I say so myself, since I was the fabric designer on it. They're really great to use, and my hope was that by seeing the quilts, you're able to see just really how much you can use it for. All the pieces are meant to really work together. Every single piece works together, if that makes sense. So like even the light pink pieces should go with your navy pieces, because I've tried to blend it in a way to make sure that all the fabrics really worked well together. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a chance to play with it. If you use my line, please let me know and tag me on Instagram. So at Carina Gardner on Instagram. I would love for you to tell me that you're using it. Tag me on it and I will share it in our stories, because I love seeing the way you guys are creating and making with Ciao Bella. If you're a shop owner currently carrying the line, please let me know. We would love to tag you so that people know where to buy the line. That really helps everyone who's on my feed as well. And so we love that. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. I hope you get a chance to play with Ciao Bella, and I will see you soon.